Hello, good morning, ladies, gentlemen, and friends. Happy holidays. It's a beautiful morning in our place, a little cloudy. This is one of the beautiful bird in the world named Greater Flamingo. Beautiful. Greater Flamingo. Thank you. Have a great holidays. Merry Christmas, everyone.